Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through helping somebody pick one guitar out of this lineup, they didn't. They bought this PDF, and it's pretty bad. When I showed them and the other viewers on, I think it was the other part, I think it's part 4 on Clipart cleanup, you can just go to the internet and find that guitar. I mean, all I did was search musical instruments and made them large, and made them black and white, then I don't have to search through small ones. And that particular guitar was quite large. And I don't even see it right now, but it was big enough to trace good. Now, inside Corel, I've always done this, make your guitar real little. It actually helps Corel trace it, and it's gonna make it trace a lot faster. Because one, you've resampled it, basically, and if we resample it, I mean, the thing is double what I normally want at. But then I'm just going to go to Trace, Outline Trace, Clipart, and it's going to do it this fast, and it's already done. Your trace is going to be on top. You can get rid of your old one. Well, let me just show the difference between Clipart. See the fuzziness versus the vector cleanup line. And you could do a lot with this guitar, but depending on how big it is, you could actually redo these, and I just did it in another video, but really it doesn't need to be. So we've got our copy, but it's still gonna have some white inside that you need to get rid of. If you're new to laser engraving, white can't engrave on especially a CMYK white. So we're gonna go to Object and Group and ungroup this guitar and just look at this white. Sure enough, it's an RGB white, so it should not engrave, but it's always better to get rid of them. Now there's 1, 2, 3, there's 15 whites in here. But if you'll select all of it, go up to Edit, Find and Replace, under Find and Replace, Edit Query. Yours might look a little different. They've changed it. Check on Uniform Color, double click on the font, the word itself, and then get right here and get your eyedropper tool and go to that one of those whites. Basically you're getting a sample of it, and then just have OK, and then find all, and then hit delete. It deleted all those white. And if you just watch the other video on this guitar, this is a different guitar than the one we did. But if you look at them side by side, one of them's an acoustic guitar and one of them's a electric guitar, but I did the one that was free a lot faster because it was a lot better clip art. So those PDF, I don't even know where you would buy a PDF file. If you're going to buy a file, buy a vector file. But do this and learn how to trace. Like I said, you could go through here and change all this and make this perfect. Make the fretboard or whatever perfect. And if you don't know how to do that, I just did it on this video. So watch the other video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.